Hello and welcome to Monroe Junior High End of Year Award Ceremony for the 7th grade. My name is Joe Ward, Principal of Monroe Junior High. While we weren't able to be together for this end of school year, we still want to make sure we recognize students for their hard work. I want to thank Elizabeth Barger for getting all the awards together. And a special thanks to Andrea Carvellano for creating this presentation. She put a lot of work into this and it turned out looking fabulous. So I want to make sure she's recognized. Before we show the awards, I want to make sure everyone knows some of the details about them. First, the GPA awards were only based off first, second, and third quarter. Since the fourth quarter was on a pass or did not pass system, those were not calculated into a GPA. So those awards are only based off first, second, and third quarter. All the certificates for these awards will be mailed home sometime in June. The awards were given starting with honor roll, GPA. They had to have a GPA of 3.5 or higher for all 3 quarters. That is not an average. They had to have a 3.5 in every single quarter. The principal's award was a 4.0 for all 3 quarters. And if they did get a 4.0, then they'd be getting the honor roll award and the principal's award. Perfect attendance award is for students who had 0 absences or tardies all year. And then there were 3 awards that teachers gave. If a student had 0 missing assignments all year by class, then they get the Relentless Effort Award. If they made significant improvement throughout the year, then they get the Significant Improvement Award. And we also want to recognize students for their hard work during this remote learning experience. So if they completed 100% of a teacher's assignments, then they would receive the Remote Learning Excellence Award. Another thing we want to recognize is students who completed an extension project. We did a pilot program this year that was completely voluntary. We offered it to all 7th graders. The project was an extension of their learning in all their core subjects. It was aligned to their standards. All the work was done outside of school, so they had to do their normal school work plus this extension project. The 7th grade project was based off the book A Long Walk to Water. They had to read that book, and then all the activities and tasks revolved around the water crisis in Africa. Students who completed the project were awarded a distinction on the report card and a field trip. Now, obviously, the field trip was canceled. But as soon as school is back to normal functioning, we will be rewarding them with that field trip that we promised. The students who completed the project for the 7th grade were Joseph Brown, Natalie Long, Sam McCausland, Madeline Morris, Haley Powell, Chloe Glay, and Rachel Regal. They should all be commended for their hard work. They should be very proud of themselves. I know their teachers are very proud of them. Now, next is the slideshow. You will see a picture of the student along with the awards they were given. This program only allows a limited amount of time for me to record, so I had to make the slides rotate every 2 seconds, so you may need to pause to see and be able to read all the awards that they were given. Without further ado, I will start the ceremony. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a fabulous summer.